Resolv.Conf keeps getting overwritten when Dnsmasq is restarted, breaking Dnsmasq. I'm running Debian Jesse and I'm trying to configure Dnsmasq as a caching DNS server. I used a guide to come up with the following /etc/Dnsmasq.conference. Doing sudo service Dnsmasq restart fails and it won't start, telling me. Okay, kind of strange that a config straight out of a guide failed. I'll just remove the no poll option to see if it works. This time it starts just fine, but DNS resolution is clearly failing. Relevant files. /etc/Resolv.Conference. /etc/Resolv.Dnsmasq. .conference. The third file appears to be Dnsmasq's live Resolv.Conference file, because adding a name server line to it while Dnsmasq is already running causes DNS resolution to immediate start working. So it looks like it ignored my /etc/Resolv.Dnsmasq. I also tried adding a name server line to my /etc/Resolv.Conference and removing the Resolv file line in /etc/Dnsmasq.conference, but it gets overridden immediately to what you see above upon doing sudo service Dnsmasq restart. What is going on with Dnsmasq, and do I configure Dnsmasq as a caching DNS server?
There appears to be a bug in the startup script for Dnsmasq that uses Resolv.Conf to clobber the local resolver if the local loopback interface is not explicitly accept-ed in the /etc/default/Dnsmasq file. The short answer is that you can add to /etc/default/Dnsmasq to solve the problem. For more info, see this question. This URL.
Big Josh is right, except there's been an update to Dnsmasq, and there's now an option at the end of /etc/default/Dnsmasq which you can unhash.
Don't use. Put DNS server into Dnsmasq.conference, like. And add into Dnsmasq.conference.
If you just want a caching-only DNS server and nothing else fancy that Dnsmasq can do, you'd be better off installing either RAID or Unbound and using the stock default configuration which gives you a caching-only DNS server. Then you just set /etc/Resolv.Conference to use name server 127.0.0.1 and you're done. The nice thing is these two packages do not mess around with what's in /etc/Resolv.Conference like Dnsmasq does and is thus a cleaner solution in Ho. You can also usually remove the Resolv.Conf package so nothing messes around with /etc/Resolv.Conference. FYI, Dnsmasq has gotten rather complicated, too many bells and whistles, and is just causing pain for most people anymore. Violates KISS in my book.
If you want to support it now, since here's a problem.